to learn a simple bass music theory using a simple step-by-step approach. Okay, then we went further to look at some hidden secrets that beginner bass player can apply and stand out. So at the course of this lesson, we'll learn how to easily identify your musical notes both on 4 strings, 5 strings and 6 string bass using simple methods. We went further to also look at our scale degree number system. At the end of this lesson, I will drop 5 secret tips every beginners need to start applying. Okay, so ensure you watch these lessons to the end and start applying these 5 secret tips I will be dropping at the end of this lesson. Also ensure you drop your comment down the comment section below. Let me know what you feel. So with that being said, let's dive into the lesson. What is music to you? Music, in a simple term, is an arrangement of creative sound or voice that is pleasant to the ear. So your music must be pleasant to your ear and to someone's ear. So it must be pleasant to your ear and pleasant to your audience. So basically in music there are 7 notations gotten from our first English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In this alphabet, 5 have sharps while 2 does not have sharps. Okay, to identify your notes on the 4-string bass guitar, I have a simple recommended video for you. Watch this. 4-string bass open tuning. While on the 5-string bass guitar, this is the best method to identify all your notes, starting with your B, E, A, D, G. B, E, A, D, G. When it comes to 6 strings, note identification is the same, but all you need to do is to add up a down strings, the last strings, which is C. B, E, A, D, G, and C. Right, let's look at our number system. When you pick up your bass guitar, what comes to your mind? Or you have seen a lot of bass players writing some numbers and figures on the screen. This is what it means. When you pick up your bass guitar, you have your scales to run. Let's run our C major scale. So when it comes to number system, your Do is 1, Re is 2, Mi is 3, Fa is 4, So 5, La 6, Ti 7, Do 1. Though some bass player consider this root high Do as 8, but I consider it 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so to look at this as a scale degree: 1st degree, 2nd degree, 3rd degree, 4th degree, 5th degree, 6th degree, 7th degree, first degree or 8th degree. At the cost of starting this lesson, I promise to drop 5 secret tips every beginners can take advantage of. So if you're a beginner, start doing this 5. 1. Ensure you practice at least 30 to 60 minutes every day in order to take advantage of your instrument and experience tremendous growth. Okay? Number 2, ensure you tune your bass guitar. One of the biggest mistakes some beginner bass player out there make is to just start playing bass without confirming if their bass guitar is tuned or not. So if you are making that same mistake, no, ensure you tune your bass guitar before you start playing. Okay? Number 3, ensure you dedicate every week to learn 2 or 3 bass lick. This will help you set a goal for yourself. I want to really achieve this, and work towards that goal. You will experience growth. Number 4, use metronome. Metronome will keep you in time in terms of timing, groove, maintaining speed. Ensure you always use metronome to play your bass, because this will keep you in timing and tempo. It will help you. All right. Then number 5, get a mentor. Get someone you are looking up to. Learn from him, learn from their secrets and success stories. Learn what they are doing, Google their biography, learn how they get to the limelight, and this will help you to stand out as a beginner bass player. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you find value in this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with friends, and God bless you. Thank you.